Check out this Ferrari. They're gonna win, so I'll roll the window up. I should try to race him. What y'all think?
Lost your damn mind. You done lost your damn mind.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Man, I'm gonna show y'all how hot it is today in DC, bro. Check this out. 108, bro. And that's way too hot to be outside, bro. Like way too hot. But today's video, now, the video that I dropped, the video that I put out yesterday with my dad, you know, test driving the Hellcat. I just wanted to do a follow-up video talking about what decision he made and exactly what he's gonna do as far as buying a Hellcat. So he didn't get the Hellcat yesterday. Well, the other day, not yesterday, depending on when this video dropped. He didn't get it. Worked out, you know, some numbers, but he decided that he actually wants to test drive the red eye, and I think that's a smart decision because, like he said in the video, another 10 grand he can max all the way out and pretty much be set for his retirement vehicle. You don't have to worry about, you know, trading it in and, you know, upgrading and all that. Considering that he does want a Challenger, you know, he'll get the red eye, the wide body red eye Hellcat. He'll be pretty much, you know, set with that car. So I believe that that's a smart decision. I know everybody's been waiting to see what Pop's gonna do, but that's a lot of money, man, to just be rushing into something. So I respect the fact that he's taking his time, and I'm pretty sure, I hope that you guys can, you know, bear with him, you know, let him make his mind up, because that's a lot of chickens to just jump and make a decision just, you know, without actually weighing all his options. Turn this down, head down. So I told him, I think that's a smart decision, you know, because even though the regular Hellcat is nice, for a few grand more, 10 grand, and you can get the 797, bruh, and everything else that comes with the new red eye Hellcat, I think it's a smart decision. Even if he decides to still go with the regular Hellcat wide body Challenger, at least he was able to compare the two vehicles and, you know, make a smart decision. And I'm encouraging them to do that. And look at this Charger. Mopars everywhere, bruh. So hopefully this weekend he can go back out there. Well, you know what? Actually, not this weekend, because he got to go out of town. Probably the following weekend he'll get a chance to go back out to the dealership and test drive the red eye Challenger Hellcat. So I just wanted to update you guys on what decision Pops was going to make, because like I said, man, that's a lot of bread, you know, to just jump and buy something and you didn't completely weigh all your options. And as far as me, you know, I'm still waiting for this wide body to come out, and I'm gonna test drive one of those, see, you know, see what the difference is, you know, see how they look in person. And you know, by that time 17, 18s, used Hellcats will be rolling in, and I'm gonna be right there to sweep them up if the price is right. So I appreciate everybody bearing with me and Pops. You know, I know everybody been inquiring about what y'all gonna do. Some people in the comments saying, man, you ain't never gonna buy nothing. At the end of the day, I already got a Charger, and I'm not in no rush to just run and trade in my car. I'm gonna make a smart decision, and it's a journey. You know what I'm saying? We working our way up to it. Why run out and buy something when you got brand new wide bodies coming in, and I can have the opportunity to possibly buy a wide body? I think that'll help the channel out more than just buying a regular Hellcat. And besides the channel, I mean, I want to see what the wide body is going to look like, so I can make a, you know, an educated decision. You know, be able to compare them and see what's what. So my so I feel like I need to give myself the opportunity to compare the two, you know, the 19s and then the 2020 wide bodies to see how they look. If it's not that big a difference, man, I'm not gonna just, you know, I'm not gonna just buy a wide body just because it's a wide body. I get a 19 Charger Hellcat because they just as nice. I just wanted to update you guys on what my pops decided to do. So I'll be bringing you guys that video when Pops test drive the Red Eye Hellcat Challenger. And if this is your first time joining the channel, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.